the complete guide to balancing your chakras and healing your mind, body, and spirit. Within all living beings are 7 powerful centers of energy called chakras. Every chakra holds the potential for immense healing and restoration. Chakra Healing, a beginner's guide, can show you how to harness that power with a wide range of simple exercises for beginners. This book will put you on the path to healing pain, allergies, indigestion, headaches, fatigue, and even emotional turbulence like loneliness to live a happier life. With practical instruction and guidance, you'll learn how to identify what's ailing you and which chakra is causing it. Discover daily habits that make a difference. Connect with your chakras using everything from meditation to crystals, essential oils, yoga, focused breathing, and even diet. Detailed photos and drawings make the tools and exercises even easier to understand. Find accessible advice for learning each technique. No previous knowledge or separate yoga book is necessary. Discover the power of balancing your chakras to help you heal and feel your best. Find the link below and buy the book now.